My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a Yoga for Men total beginner routine. I'm going to take you through these poses step by step to ease you in to some of the most powerful and effective yoga poses that we can do. All right, all you need is comfortable clothes and a place to work out. We can do this anywhere, anytime. Are you ready? Make sure you click that subscribe button, the thumbs up button. And let's begin in child's pose. You can always modify as needed. Always use control and practice daily, and you'll be amazed at how much better you look and feel right away. Take the knees to the edges of your mat. We're gonna press back. Press it back, hands are down, relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the hips, and use your breath. A lot of breathing in these poses. If you feel stuck, you can always go to that deep breath. Child's pose releases your back. It calms your mind. It reduces stress. Also opens up the hips. Take some deep breaths in your child's pose. If you feel a cramp coming on, you can always tuck your toes right here. And relax it back. Good. It lengthens the spine. It takes tension out of the spine and the back. One more breath. Then we're going to tuck the toes, come up to downward facing dog. If that's too much, stay in child's pose. I'm keeping my socks on because it's a little chilly out here. It's winter in Tennessee, but I really wanted to get this workout to you. We're going to press back. In down dog, the emphasis goes back through the posterior chain of the body, the back of the body, into the heels. You can bend the knees if you need to. I always like to pull my sweats up. That's the thing. I don't like my pants touching my ankles, but that's my deal. That's my weirdness. We're going to stretch it back. You can move the legs a bit. And think of the shoulders. The shoulder blades are going to pull outward. So you're creating space in the back where there's only been tension a lot. This is going to help your posture as your shoulders release, as your middle back releases. And of course, we're stretching the backs of the legs. And breathe into it. Big hands. Relax the neck. 3 more breaths. Downward facing dog. Do it every day. You're going to feel that mobility and flexibility. Oh, that's the good stuff right there. All right, let the knees come down. Quick shake out. Always never be afraid to shake out the hands, shake out the arms. You want to keep it loose. Perhaps you've been holding on to a lot of tension all the time, standing a lot, sitting a lot, with bad posture, shoulders rolling forward. So shake it out. Hands are on the shoulders, knees under the hips, elbows are in. Isn't that cool? Now we go to cat-cow. We're going to stretch out your spine. You're going to inhale, round your upper back up. So press up. You're pulling your abdominals in. Your elbows are turned in, and your chin is tucked. So the back of your neck is long. This, my friends, is called a cat stretch. You guys ever see this one before? This is a cat. Cats actually do this. Cats are very limber. Toes are loose, fingers are loose. And then for the cat, we go to cow. From cat, go to cow. We drop our stomachs down, pull the shoulders back, and we get that little U shape in the spine. Oh, this is fantastic for posture if you have postural issues. Again, sitting too much, all that sitting during the day wreaks havoc on our bodies. It gets it very tight, very rigid. And I'm going to show you a pose here in a second you're not going to want to miss. That's going to strengthen your center. Once again, cat, round up, pull the belly button in, keep breathing. Try not to hold your breath. And then drop down, cow. We're dropping to cow. Yoga for men. I do a lot of yoga for men videos. I know men can be very hesitant to get into yoga, and also Pilates, of which I teach a lot of, but they are life-saving. I'm in my 50s now, so yoga every day for me. And planks. Bring your forearms down. Speaking of firing up your core, knees a little bit behind the hips, elbows under the shoulders, fists or hands or woo, okay. If you want more, tuck the toes. Try to get parallel with the floor. You can always do this in front of a mirror to check your form. As you exhale, squeeze your abdominals like you're looking in the mirror and you're flexing your abs. I like to call this a furnace. It starts in your center, that heat in your abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes, your strong core, and it spreads outward. Back of my neck is long, the crown of my head is pointed forward, and press into your forearms and elbows. Really squeeze it up instead of sagging, and that will come with practice. So really activate that core. Press your heels back as well, something I discovered. I know I'm talking a lot, but there's so much to say about these poses. I want to give you as much as I can so you can just take it and run. Press those heels back, stretching the backs of the legs. One more breath. Forearm plank. Hold these poses as long as you wish. That's up to you. All right, down we go. We have forearms down here into a baby cobra. It's so cute. Or you can have the hands on the shoulders, lift up into a cobra. Strengthening your lower back. Elbows are in. Opening the chest, opening your abdominals, stretching the front, opening up the breath. You can also press all the way up into upward facing dog. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow, but that's a place you can go to and get excited about that. But we have the cobra, shoulders back and down, teaching those shoulders to stay down, keep them down. Put those shoulders down, put the cookie down. Because the shoulders come up here and we can't breathe and everything's tight and we get moody. Take them back. All right, take it back. Downward facing dog or child's pose. See, I pulled my sweatpants up right there because I can't stand it. Sink it back. Feeling looser already? Do this series, do these poses every day. Do them several times a day. Work them into your schedule. Okay, just a couple more. Give you these powerful poses to play with for a bit. Take your right foot forward. Left knee can be down or stretch that back leg. We have a lunge. The feet are staggered. This knee and ankle pretty much lined up. Stretching that back leg. Got my hands down here. I got my cool black socks on. My fingers are pretty much numb at this point, but we're almost done. And then here's an add-on. Don't tell anyone I taught you this, but this is fantastic. My favorite mobility exercise. Are you ready? The left hand is down. This right arm is going to reach up. And we have lunge with a twist. So now we're opening all of this, getting rotation, stretching that back leg. You can make it active. We come down. We lift up. Look at the pretty trees with the leaves all gone. How was your Christmas? Was it good? Okay. We open and then down. You'll find in no time at all, you're going to build strength, mobility, flexibility right away. You're going to want more. Now switch to the other side. You can do it from down dog or from here. Hold the lunge, stretching that back leg or bringing the knee down, working your quad, your core, or add the twist. Just bring that right in there. It's up to you. One more time. Lift. Big stretch, opening up this whole line. Oh, so darn good. All right, let's finish it off with a tree. A little balance. Come up to a standing position, shake it out. Take a foot down. You can hold on to something, a chair, a person, a tree, a wall. Bring this heel below the knee or above, or you can keep the toes down right here. A little softness in that standing knee. Cough. Oh my goodness. Coach V, what are you doing? Hands together and we have tree. So we got balance. Shoulders back and down, chest open. A little softness in that standing knee. Wobbling is good. We're going to wobble. We're going to move. Anytime you try something new, you got the courage to do it. You get out and do it. It's going to be a little wobbly. Do it a second time, less. Third time, none. Hands together, find a focal point and breathe. Top of the head, lifting tall. Tree pose. Give you some confidence, mental clarity, focus. If you're having problems with work, family, whatever it is, you feel stuck, do these poses. Do them. Let everything go behind you. Get it out of there. Distractions, phone, all that crap. Just get down on the mat, get on the floor, do some stretches, do these yoga stretches. Let's do both sides, of course, always do both sides, unless you want to walk in a circle. But now more than ever these days, to find a spot like this, we're breathing, you're focused on yourself, you're regrouping, you're renewing, your body's getting stronger, and this will affect everything else you do in such a positive way. I've never heard someone say life was great until I did those stupid yoga stretches. Now I'm tight and irritable and angry all the time. Maybe I will hear it. I don't know. I haven't heard it yet. All right, so tree pose. All right, my friends, yoga for men, beginner. Do me a favor. Who do you know? What guy do you know that desperately needs to do something like this, needs to do yoga? Send them this video, share this video, tag them in this video. I highly appreciate that. And make sure you click that thumbs up button, click the subscribe button, and also there's that notification bell up there. Click that to never miss one of my workouts. I'm gonna have more yoga for men coming at you, and Pilates for men, and everything else on the Vigue Fitness YouTube channel. It's a pleasure, my friends. Practice anywhere, anytime. It's me, Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. It even says it on my mat. What is this? This is the Coach Vigue yoga mat right there. Vogue, but with an I. How about that? Where can I get this mat? Let me tell you. What do you think?